So I always believe 7 to 8 billion human beings, we are same. Now, important is we have to think a common aim, world peace, through individual mental peace. Religion is personal matter, and race is also personal matter. Basically, we are same. Same way we're born, now sooner or later, same way we pass away. So while we alive, we have to live happily with the genuine face things of brotherhood, sisterhood.
Holiness, it is such an honor to be in your presence. And I was wondering, as someone who is a young person, what message do you have for kids like me or for kids younger, and how can we continue to promote a world of peace where we are all the same? Because I believe everything that you say, and because of you, because of your work, it has inspired me and has given me faith that we really can improve this world. And so how do we carry on your message to the younger generations?
Now, properly use of human intelligence. Look, in the past, so many problems, actually our own creation, due to too much emphasis, you see,
on the differences, no?
on the basis of
Difference.
different religion, different race, different history. Now time come, we have to think humanity, basically human being.
His Holiness is saying that it's important to convey to them, actually, if we reflect more deeply,
Right.
then many of the problems has been caused by paying too much attention or importance to the differences. But if we look at what binds us together, it's this oneness. So he's saying, ask the young people to use their brain, use their intellect.
Your Holiness, there's a few books that
wanna
we'd
give
like
the
to
book
mention.
that you
Number
mentioned,
one
wrote?
with the book.